maga do ya know? Newlink and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. Newlink. Attack.
Blessing my viewers, blessing subscribers. John no star. Right now, people, it's really a sad one. Cause everybody must know Fowl, otherwise called Fowl. Viewers and subscribers, he's now gone. You know what I mean? It's really a terrible news, people, because Fowl is a man who are doing thing really long time. You know what I mean? And you don't know, so this man was one of the big time drugs done in the UK, and you don't know, from in the 1990s when he was found guilty, serve him time, then he decided to come back to Jamaica. You know what I mean? Keep a lot of hype party in a Kingston, fish fry, cookout and them thing there. And people, he's gone now. About 2 years ago, it was released that he was killed, but he never was killed. But he is officially gone now. Fowl is no longer more with us, and he was 61 years old. He was said he was in Kingston at a lane, you don't know, say, with him red Range Rover. When him stand up outside, 2 bike man just ride up them bike and fire several shots, hit him drop underneath the van, curl up, people. You know what I mean? And it's not a good thing. John, it's really sad. You know what I mean? But John, Jamaica really turn up. Viewers and subscribers just gonna cook.
Where the maga do ya know? Newlink and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. Newlink. Attack.